Today I'm at McCuddy's Big Oak to show you a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom floating house with a small boat well. It has been converted to a workshop, which is really cool. You can reconvert it to be able to keep a small boat in it. Also, there's boat parking right behind the house that I'll show you here in a second. It is about a 25-minute drive from downtown Portland when there's not rush hour going on. When there's rush hour, it's about a 25-minute drive from downtown, maybe 26, we'll see, or 20, depending if you want to keep up with traffic, because it moves along really well. We are on the Multnomah Channel, which is a great spot for fishing in the spring, boating year-round, in my opinion, even in the rain, even in the middle of winter. It's a beautiful spot right across from Sauvie Island, which you can see behind me. Call me anytime if you have any questions about this house. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you might have.